Hi, my name's Haley White, and this is my tech tool review, and I am doing it on the tool snipping tool. It is something you can add to your Chrome browser, and with a simple key combination that you're able to access the tool. So the key combination is the Windows key, Shift, and S. Some things about how it works is that you're able to create screenshots, and you can drag and hold, so you can crop images. Another feature that it has is that you can write and draw on cropped images. So many people like that just because they can edit the information that's maybe on if you copy like an article, you can highlight words on it. So I like doing that. Some cons about it though is that there are no videos, so you can't screenshot a video if it's on there, or if you like control or right click. Sometimes like if it brings a drop down bar, it won't let you screenshot that. You can't scroll on the screen, and sometimes they can be hard to save. It automatically clips to your, or automatically copies to your clipboard, excuse me. But sometimes if you wanted to just save it as just a picture, that can be kind of difficult to find it, and you can lose it really easily. Some reviews on it that I found were just that people really liked it, and it was pretty average for them. But since it was free and it was really easy to use because it's just a simple key combination, and people liked that. I know I use it almost every day, and I teach a lot of people how to use it. And it was my Tech Tool Basic that I used. So that is my tech review.